S5, Jessa Marie Alvaro, Troop S6, Majors Leader, Lyra Angela N. Lazarte, DLC Leader, Sarah Grace Filipina, CTP, Alpha Company Commander Elmer Jan Dimayawat, CTP Alpha Company EXO, Gerson Sinaon, First Platoon Leader, Boys, Prince Carl Sareno, Second Platoon Leader, Boys, Zairul Barcela, CTP Bravo Company Commander Welma Shane Sandino, CTP Bravo Company EXO Daniela S. Ampungan, First Platoon Leader Girls Angeline Belmonte, Second Platoon Leader Girls Princess Nicole Bonifacio, Mapi Company Commander Hans Kyle Alexis D. Panoy, Mapi Company EXO Kyle Lawrence Beatriz, First Platoon Leader Alvin Agapon, Second Platoon Leader Walter Rain Osete, Full Head Platoon Leader Coordinator Romulo Almeron II, Assistant Traders Coordinator Floyd M. Latok, DSNC DRC Coordinator Nino D. Velasco, Assistant DSNC DRC Coordinator Jeremia G. Bigayan, entry number 28, Seferino Arroyo High School, San Agustin, Irigas City.